Hello, students, and welcome back. So, we have been learning about workers and professions. So, this is the last video, and here I'm going to be concluding the whole chapter that you have learned by now. So, we have workers. There are three sorts of workers. One are the So here we have professional workers. So who are professional workers? Doctors, engineers, bankers, accountants, lawyers, teachers. So why do we call them professional workers, by the way? We call them professional workers because they have studied for a certain number of years for their profession and they have a hold on what they have been doing. For example, a doctor studies for 5 whole years and does his MBBS, then he does his specialization and becomes a doctor. Whereas an engineer also studies for 4 years where he has done his engineering and then he becomes an engineer. Same as with a lawyer, he has to do a certain degree which is called LLB and then he becomes a lawyer. Whereas teachers, they also have to be bachelors in education or have a degree related to education. Similarly, an accountant has to know all of those chunks of accounting so that he becomes accountant. Similar is with a banker. So all these professions require a certain degree, certain amount of knowledge to become what they are. So नंबर फर्स्ट वर्कर्स आर प्रोफेशनल वर्कर्स जिनके पास डिग्रीज होती हैं जो कि एक प्रोफाउंड वे के थ्रू हमारे पास आते हैं. देन वी हैव स्किल्ड वर्कर्स. स्किल्ड वर्कर्स कौन होते हैं? जिनके पास कोई स्किल होती है, like cobblers who can fix our shoes, because not everyone can fix shoes and make shoes, right? Then we have carpenters. Same as with cobblers, carpenters make furniture. As you all know, not everyone can make furniture, so this is a skill that they have. Then we have painters, those who paint walls or all of these things. तो ये भी एक स्किल है. हर कोई वॉल को पेंट नहीं कर सकता, पेंट हर कोई नहीं कर सकता, तो दे हैव द स्किल ऑफ पेंटिंग. देन वी हैव इलेक्ट्रिशियंस. ऑब्वियसली हर कोई हमारी इलेक्ट्रिक का काम नहीं कर सकता, सो दे आर skilled in what they are doing. Then we have butchers who cut meat and all, so not everyone can do that work as well, so they are skilled in the field that they are working in. Then we have unskilled workers. Unskilled workers कौन होते हैं? Unskilled workers वो काम करते हैं जो लोग सीख सकते हैं, and anyone can do these works because they are not skilled. For examples, पार्किंग में जो हमारे पास लोग होते हैं जो पार्किंग में गाड़ी की पार्किंग में हेल्प कर रहे होते हैं. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर दैट गाय इज स्टैंडिंग इन अ पार्किंग लॉट एंड ही इज टेलिंग द वे टू द कार्स where they should park their cars. So similarly, we also have these here in Karachi, where they tell us where to park our cars. So ये parking वाले लोग जो होते हैं, they are unskilled workers. This is not a skill that you need to have to become these type of workers. Then we have waiters, those who serve us food, or the ones that work in supermarkets. They are unskilled workers. Similarly, the clerks or the generators who clean the floor and clean the areas. जैसे हम malls जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे floor swipe करते हैं और sweepers वगैरह, they are unskilled workers. Similarly, जो हमारे labor होते हैं जो हमारे घर बनाते हैं, that is also a sort of unskilled workers, since it is not a skill. They don't need to have a license or some sort of education to do so. They just learn by through ears. They keep on doing the same task and then they learn through it. So the workers, there are three sorts of workers. There are professional workers, there are skilled workers, and there are unskilled workers. So to conclude this chapter, we learned the three sorts of workers. Thank you, and I hope you understood. Please attempt the quiz after the video. Thank you.